Hi guys, this is Eunice and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm all ready for my nighttime skincare routine, so if you want to know more, please keep on watching. Right now, hindi pa ako nag-cleanse, but later dito sa baba, makikita nyo na ginagamit ko yung products or how I use the products para magka-idea kayo. But anyway, I'll be showing you later after I clean my entire face para din makita nyo kung anong effect sa akin nung aking nighttime routine even after washing. Okay? So, ayan ang itsura ng aking skin right now. So, I like it. It's very bright. I have no issues with it. Ganda ng condition na skin ko. Tagal ko na sinasabi yan. But anyway, let's begin. So every after I remove my makeup, ginagamit ko itong Pure Derm Charcoal Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. This has 30 back wet towelettes which already fits your entire face. Isang towel lang yung pwede mo gamitin per day. Okay na, natatanggal niya na yung buong makeup mo. So ito yung itsura niya, guys. I can't show you guys kung paano ko siya tatanggalin kasi natanggal ko na yung makeup ko. But then, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Like, I swear by this product. Nakabili ko lang actually yung panibago, which is the collagen one kasi gusto ko yung amoy niya. But then, ayun, nag-repurchase na ako kasi gusto ko na itong charcoal. As you can see, sobrang konti na lang yung laman niya. As in, more than half na yung nagamit ko. So, next step is thoroughly cleansing my face. And for that, I'm using the Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser, thoroughly cleansing with long-lasting oil control for the deepest feeling clean. So, ito yung ginagamit ko to really cleanse my face. Though sinasabi niyang oil control siya, guys, alam nyo, it doesn't feel like pinatag yung face mo. Hindi siya masakit. Tulad ng ibang cleanser na oil control siya, pero sobrang higpit ng itsura ng face mo na sobrang akala mo linis na linis yung mukha mo. But little did we know, the more na ganun yung ginagawa niya sa skin mo, the more na mas lalabas yung oil. Hindi niya hindi niya kinokontrol talaga yung iyong pag-oil off. So with this one, though it says na it's long-lasting oil control, it leaves my face super smooth, as in sobrang soft ng face ko right after. Walang tapping, walang masakit na feeling. Sobrang sarap niya sa face. Ang bango-bango pa rin. Okay, so with that, I then use my moisturizer. For my moisturizer, I use the Nature Republic Aloe Vera. Doon dumi-dumi na niya. Kaya ko ipakita. Pero, ito na yung nagamit kong product sa kanya. Diba? More than half na din yung nagagamit ko sa kanya. I use this as my moisturizer. And yeah, it really works well on me. Minsan pag wala akong ilalagay after moisturizing my face, kinakapalan ko talaga yung nilagay ng aloe vera. As in, alam niyo, ever since ito yung naging skincare routine ko, sobrang rare ako magkaroon ng pimples and all that. Sobrang naiwasan ko siya. And yeah, this is my way to go as well. Sobrang mura niya lang sa Nature's Republic. And ang dami na nito, ang dami na lumalabas na ganito from different brands. Pero I still stick with Nature Republic since sila yung OG na gumawa nito. And yeah, ito talaga yung effective for me. So we're on with the next product. Usually, kapag maglalagay ako nito, either I place a super thin layer of the aloe vera, then I place this one. Pero minsan, or madalas, hindi ko na ginagamit si aloe vera. If I'm really into moisturizing my face, ginagamit ko talaga si aloe vera. But sometimes, if I didn't place much makeup on or what, ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko direct. So what is this? Guys, I've been loving this ever since I got to use this. As in, nakikita niyo yung mukha ko ngayon. Kung nakikita niyo yung past videos ko, it is not this bright, it is not this clean, it is not this smooth. As in, my God, I don't know what's with this one, but this is the Nature Skin 24K Timeless Ampule. It claims to moisturize the skin, corrects dark spots, fights signs of aging. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Yan si Nature Skin 24K Timeless Ampule. As you can see, may dropper siya. Para siyang serum. na nasa dropper, and ito yung contents niya. And I've come to know na yung products used in this one are from Korea. Namely, nandito siya, na-search natin siya, besh. Kasi even before trying the product, I really have to really study on the product or yung benefits na nabibigay ng product or even reviews and all that. It has Pureria Verifica root extract as well as the natural aqua botanical plant, which is hard to find because it has vitamins A, B1, B2, C, D, and E, which is all available in Korea. So we all know Koreans, super ganda ng kanilang skin. It is it looks so youthful than us. Alam niyo, here in the Philippines, it's really hard na i-contain yung pag-age ng ating face. It's way different than other countries. Yung araw dito tutok na tutok sa yung mukha, sobrang polluted ng Pilipinas, kaya ang hirap talaga i-maintain yung magandang skin natin. But anyway, with this one, it will really reverse your skin into your youthful glow, as well as it tackles skin problems like dark spots, melasma, scars, wrinkles, sagging, and all that. Fine lines, lalo na, and wrinkles, lalo na pag medyo aging na talaga tayo, yun yung hindi natin maiiwasan. You know guys, as we age, nawawala kasi yung natural elasticity ng ating face. But with this 24K Timeless Appeal, it actually has the power to regain yung ating elasticity with the H3C, which is, I've come to realize, was collagen, carrot, and cucumber. So with those three products, nawawala yung pagkakasag ng ating face, as well as bringing back its younger state. With that, it also prevents yung ating correction ng dark spots, red marks, wrinkles, sagging, as I've said. It minimizes the pores. Alam niyo yun, talagang oomph talaga tayo sa younger state ng ating skin, as well as yung Korean glow that we all like because of the ingredients that can only be found in Korea. So if you guys have questions, you can go through www.natureskin.ph. You can also order from there if you guys want one. So there. I use this every bedtime. So after ko nga maghugas ng face and all that, either I put on my aloe or I directly use this one on my face. Alam niyo, sobrang constant lang kasi yung naging itsura ng mukha ko nung hindi ko pa ito ginagamit. Like, yeah, it's fine. It doesn't have pimples. Di masyado nag-grow yung pimples. But with this one, it minimized my pores and it made my face really bright. As in, guys, iba yung naging effect niya. Honestly, at first, I was really scared kasi nga, I've been using my go-to skincare products ever since. But eventually, I know it will not take effect on my skin sooner or later kapag yun at yun yung ginagamit ko. We have to change it up or switch up the game once in a while. And yeah, siguro dito talaga ako nag-take ng risk kay Nature Skin at hindi ako nagkamali kasi ang ganda nung effect na ginawa niya sa skin ko. When I got to use this one, alam niyo yung pinakaunang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. I mean, you know guys, if you've been watching me, sobrang into ako sa mga skincare or makeup na ang babango. As in. And this one, ito talaga yung top ko na sobrang bangong skincare product ever na nagamit ko. Sobrang bango niya, wala akong masabi. As in, alam mo, nanghihina ako pag ang bango-bango ng product. And this one is really, I mean, nakaka-addict yung amoy niya. Na-realize ko, it's one of the Victoria's Secret scents na gusto ko. Yun yung amoy niya. Similar dun yung amoy. Sobrang bango talaga, nakaka-addict. Kung pwede mo na siyang gamiting pabango, why not talaga? But then, yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Yung kanyang scent. So, after that, I kinda use like 1/4 of the dropper. So, usually ganyan. So, that you see, guys, kasi may video naman ako sa baba on using it. So, like this much yung ginagamit ko sa kanya. And I place it on my face directly na. Hindi na ako naglalagay sa palm. Pero, yeah, para lang nandun na siya sa face ko. Then, after that, syempre, gaganyanin ko siya sa face ko. After using it, actually, hindi mo na siya maamoy sa iyong face. But then, when you try to smell your fingertips, dun mo siya maaamoy. When I wake up, wala na yung scent niya. As in, nag-melt down din naman yung scent niya. But what doesn't really melt down right after placing it is yung subtle shimmers niya. makikita mo after using it, may mga konting shimmers around your face, which I thought would melt dun sa liquid. Pero hindi. But I really don't mind at all. So after nun, alam nyo, I kind of feel na may very thin layer sa aking face. As in, super thin lang siya. Then when I get to dry it up, pag hinawakan mo yung mukha mo, besh, sobrang lambot niya. Sobrang lambot niya sa mukha. As in, I don't know why, pero it leaves my face super smooth, super soft. I mean, different kind of, iba yung level nung pagka-smooth at pagka-soft ng face ko. And for the last products, guys, ito talaga nilalagay ko siya after kong maglagay ng mga chemist sa aking face. Ito na yung susunod kong ginagawa. This is the Castor Oil Eyelash and Brow Growth Serum. So, ito yung itsura niya. I got this from Watson's. This one is from Lux Organics as well. Sobrang mura lang nito, guys. And yung lashes ko are way better right now. As in, sobrang haba na ng lashes ko ngayon. Ang sarap-sarap mag-mascara. And yeah, kitang-kita naman siya sa aking lashes. Lalo na pag nag-mascara ako, guys, sobrang evident siya lalo. Kasi napansin ko, yung lower lashes ko, wala talaga yan before. But now, kaya-kaya na siyang i-mascara at sobrang kitang-kita na siya pag nagmamascara ako. So, I just finished washing my face. And as you can see, here is my skin right after washing it. It is super bright. I really like it. It's super soft. And sobrang bango. Yun lang. Yun yung pinaka-nagugustuhan ko sa lahat. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and suggest and subscribe if you haven't subscribed here on my channel yet. Please do feel free to comment down below any video suggestions, comments, or even your queries. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah!